Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you
Paragraph writing topic: corruption.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Our today's topic is on corruption. Corruption is a worldwide issue that prevents countries or areas from growing naturally. As a result, it's also regarded as an all-encompassing condition and unneeded impediment for countries attempting to progress. Corruption occurs when people commit fraudulent acts simply because they are in positions of authority. Corruption is defined as an action or decision that results in unfavorable outcomes for other parties. Corruption occurs when moral deterioration occurs and no amount of trust or honesty evaluation can convince you that you are on the wrong track. Corruption is frequently motivated by a desire for power and money. Corruption degrades a person's capacity to perform tasks by separating him from his character. Many political figures from various nations are engaged, and it is quickly spreading to lesser levels as well. Superpower countries aren't immune to it either. One cannot fight corruption by battling it, according to a quotation, and this is completely accurate. Corruption is defined as an act motivated by a desire for money and willing to go to any extent to complete illicit duties. Corruption exists in every corner of the world and in every country. Corruption is unstoppable and impossible to eradicate. Corruption has infected every country in the world today. Every country participates fiercely because it is the route to unprecedented achievement and power. People degrade themselves morally and run in the wrong way for money, since authority is based on the quantity of money. There may be difference in the level of corruption in each country, but it does occur. Corruption affects many aspects of life, including public life, personal life, politics, administration, education, and even research and security. There are very few exceptions. In other nations, corruption is appropriately punished, but this is not the situation in many countries. There is no particular punishment for any form of corruption. Corruption is a crime that can not only destroy lives but also destroy families, because once a person becomes accustomed to it, no one but themselves can stop it. Many frauds go unnoticed by the general public yet have a significant impact. Corruption is the name given to them. Corruption is a heinous act that has self-term left anyone or any area ineffective. Nothing and no one is immune to corruption, from hospitals to companies to governments. Corruption spreads equally and quickly from upper level to lower levels, resulting in a culture of less hard efforts and falsified outcomes. There are also indications that many smugglers give funding to politicians, and that when they or their survival is endangered, they are targeted for swift action, which usually results in death. Even the most powerful governments are not immune to corruption. After all, who doesn't want money and success? The quickest method to do so is a mass of sum of money. They are unable to degrade their influence due to corruption. Corruption, on the other hand, is unable to prevent the deterioration of their morals or values, and in fact it exacerbates it. We cannot begin to comprehend how much money flows into our accounts for personal accumulations. Corruption has become an invasive virus that has infiltrated every department and area of government. Our economy has been devastated by corruption, and our functions have gone crazy as a result. One statement reads, "You cannot combat corruption by battling it," which is completely accurate. Corruption is defined as an act motivated by desires for money and willing to go to any extent to complete their illegal duties. Corruption exists in every corner of the world and in every country. Corruption is unstoppable and impossible to eradicate. It can only be completed if it is stopped inside a man's heart. Bribery is one of the most commonly used tactics of corruption. Bribery refers to the practice of obtaining personal benefit with the use of employments of their favors or gift. This includes a variety of various sorts of favors. The other is embezzlement, which is defined as withholding funds that can be utilized for theft in the future. Usually one or more people who have been entrusted with these assets, and it's also known as financial fraud. The third is referred to as graft, which refers to the improper use of a politician's influence for personal benefit. The illegal people, they utilize this one the most. Extortion is an illegal claims of any assets, lands or property. Favoritism, often known as nepotism, is in full swing these days, with only the favorites or direct relatives of those in power ascending to their full potential. There are a limited number of techniques to combat corruption, but they do exist. The government can pay its employee a higher wage that is proportional to the amount of labor they do. Reducing the workload and hiring more people can also help out to put an end to this pervasive and illegal behavior. Strict laws are required to put an end to this, and the best way to compete is to put guilty people to death. The government can endeavor to keep the country's inflation low so that people can work properly. Corruption cannot be defeated, it can only be prevented. And corruption is defined as an action or decision that results in unfavorable outcomes for other parties. Corruption occurs when moral deterioration occurs, and no amount of honest evaluation can convince you that you are on the wrong track. So you may be thinking, which country has the greatest amount of corruption? Well, country with the greatest amount of corruption is Somalia. Which of the following countries has the least amount of corruption? With the least amount of corruption are Denmark, New Zealand and Finland. What are the world's 10 most corrupt countries? The 10 most corrupt countries in the world are Colombia, Mexico, Ghana, Russia, Myanmar, Guatemala, Saudi Arabia, Brazil and Kenya. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you.